The universe is teeming with data. Like stars scattered across the cosmos, these data points hold valuable insights. Their true brilliance shines when we connect them. This is where the power of joins comes in. Connecting datasets unlocks their full potential. Joins combine data from different tables based on shared characteristics, illuminating hidden connections that drive decisions and discoveries. In the realm of data, joins serve as bridges, connecting islands of information into a unified whole. They allow us to combine data from multiple tables based on a shared column, giving us a more comprehensive view of the subject at hand. Think of two separate datasets, one containing customer information like names and addresses, and another with their order history such as products purchased and dates. A join operation allows us to merge these tables, connecting each customer's information with their specific purchases. This fusion of data unlocks a treasure trove of insights. We can analyze purchasing patterns, identify loyal customers, or personalize marketing campaigns, all because we've bridged the gap between separate but related datasets. Joins empower us to move beyond fragmented information, weaving together a tapestry of knowledge from seemingly disparate sources. They are the invisible threads that connect the dots, revealing the bigger picture hidden within our data. Just as there are different types of stars in the cosmos, several types of joins cater to specific data needs. Let's explore three of the most common: inner join, left join, and outer join. Inner join retrieves rows with matches in both tables. Left join retrieves all rows from the left table and matches from the right. If no match, it fills in null values. Outer join retrieves all rows from both tables, with nulls where no match exists. Each join serves a distinct purpose tailored to our data needs. Section 4. SQL joins versus Excel functions, choosing your spaceship. While SQL reigns supreme for managing and querying large datasets, Excel offers a user-friendly environment for smaller-scale analysis. Both platforms provide tools for joining data, each with its strengths and limitations. In SQL, joins are fundamental operations performed within the database itself. They are powerful and efficient, especially for complex queries involving millions of rows. Excel offers functions like VLOOKUP and INDEX-MATCH to achieve similar results. These functions search for a specific value in one column and return a corresponding value from another column. While user-friendly, they can be limited in scope and efficiency compared to SQL joins, especially for large datasets. Choosing the right tool depends on the task at hand. For heavy-duty data manipulation and analysis, SQL's robust join capabilities are indispensable. For smaller datasets or quick ad hoc analysis, Excel's functions provide a convenient alternative. Section 5. Primary and foreign keys, the gravity of relationships. Just as gravity governs the interactions between celestial objects, primary and foreign keys define the relationships between tables in a database. Understanding these keys is crucial for performing accurate and meaningful joins. A primary key is a unique identifier for each row in a table. It's like a cosmic fingerprint, ensuring that each record is distinct. In our customer table, the customer ID would be the primary key. A foreign key, on the other hand, is a column in one table that refers to the primary key of another table. It establishes a link between the two tables, defining the relationship between the data they hold. In our order table, the customer ID would be a foreign key, referencing the primary key in the customer table. These keys act as the glue that binds our tables together, ensuring that our joins are performed correctly and produce accurate results. Without them, our data would be a jumbled mess, like stars scattered randomly across the cosmos. Section 6. Conclusion: to infinity and beyond. The never-ending quest for data wisdom. Mastering joins in SQL and Excel unlocks a universe of possibilities for data analysis. We can uncover hidden patterns, gain deeper insights, and make informed decisions that drive progress and innovation. But the journey doesn't end there. The world of data is constantly evolving, with new technologies and techniques emerging all the time. As data professionals, we must embrace continuous learning, exploring advanced join concepts like self-joins, theta joins, and cross-joins. We must venture beyond the familiar and push the boundaries of our knowledge. So let us embark on this never-ending quest for data wisdom, armed with the power of joins and a thirst for discovery. Together we can navigate the vast expanse of information and unlock the secrets that lie hidden within.